association with Forever Mark Diamonds, and I just think that every time I'm here for them, I just fall all the more in love with the diamonds. All women love diamonds, right? And I don't think that's a surprise at all. So do I. And I just think that this jewelry that I'm wearing today makes me feel absolutely wonderful. It makes me feel lovely, and I think all women deserve it. So, Forever Mark Diamonds, a big congratulations to you for collaborating with Manik Gems. It's great being here, and we all know that Forever Mark stands for rare, beautiful, and responsibly sourced. And well, I think there's absolutely no surprise in them. When you see it, you know how beautiful it is. You fall in love, and they're really rare because only 1% of the whole world's diamonds actually qualify legally to be stamped as Forever Mark Diamonds. So I think all of what it stands for is what every woman also stands for: simplicity, beauty, integrity, inspiration, all of that. And I just think that, again, it's great being here for Forever Mark. Thank you. Diamonds ko lekar, I think it's just absolutely never ending. Girls and diamonds, you know how strong that bond is. And I guess whenever there's anybody that wants to show their sign of love to a girl, what better than a diamond, right? I think whether gifting diamonds to somebody else, whether it's to yourself, diamonds are that one rare thing that you truly. I guess it's so rare, it's so beautiful that it's that epitome of beauty which you think that this is the one that somebody deserves, and I guess it's a sign of how much you love them. So diamonds, yeah, I guess that is what Forever Mark is. That's partly true. It wasn't intentional. This gap wasn't intentional. The thing is, there were some amazing things that I was looking forward to doing. Some independent films and films like Badtameez Dil, but yes, they didn't really take off on time, and I lost sort of that time. So I guess that's what is to blame in all of this. But I do very few. I mean, I do very selective films, and that's another reason.
We do selective films and wear selective jewelry as well.
Absolutely.
Forever Mark. So that is, I mean, interesting to know about your new movies. In fact, I'm quite excited about Azhar, especially because I was such a huge Azhar fan.
Oh my God.
Now, if the media can step back a little, we would just want to have a small gift ceremony. We have some nice gifts for special guests over here.
Another coming on Saturday.
So get a chance.
Another gift.
Prachi, I just need a channel ID.
Okay.
World News Network. Hey, just hold for a second.
World News Network.
World News Network.